So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change video perspective in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the CapCut app for your PC and install it, and then just open the app. Once you open one of your projects, you will see something like this. You will need to add a video, and you can see this is pretty much the entire perspective of the video. So it's never changing, it's just this heart in the middle, and it will always stay looking like this. Now, if I wish to change the perspective of this video, I will need to have it selected. So select the video you want to change the perspective on and go to animations. Now on animation, you can see here, you can see in, out, and combo, and you will need to press on combo. Once you choose combo, you will see a lot of options for zooming, checking, and so on. And it will be a lot of pro version options, and you will need to go pretty much all the way down until you find, and if you find something like triplets on here, you can see this is a 3D even version, and you will need to find the option that's called angle 2. Now there may be some of the options that are just for your mobile device, but on here you can see a lot of animations. You can see this dynamic, it's flipping the entire image, so that will help you change your perspective of the image. You can see here zoom roll, so that gives you something else like flip even, and so on. So choose one of the animations under the combo page. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.